Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions.
Today we have two dash cams that will revolutionize your driving experience. On the left side, we have the BOOGIIO dash cam front, and on the right side, we have the SUVCON dash cam. Let's dive right into the comparisons, shall we? When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams have some impressive features. The BOOGIIO dash cam front boasts a 1080p Full HD lens, providing outstanding image quality with a broader field of vision. You'll be able to see every detail as clear as possible when playing back your recordings. Now let's talk about night vision. Driving at night can be challenging, but these dash cams are here to help. The BOOGIIO dash cam front combines a large aperture and advanced technology to ensure clarity and brightness even in low light conditions.
Moving on to additional features, both of these dash cams have some impressive functionalities that enhance your driving experience.
The BOOGIIO dash cam front offers a G sensor for collision video evidence, loop recording for uninterrupted footage, and motion detection to automatically start recording when it detects movement. Overall, the BOOGIIO dash cam front offers good value for the price with impressive video quality and useful features such as the G sensor and loop recording. On the other hand, the SUVCON dash cam provides a comprehensive recording experience with its triple camera setup and infrared LED lights for night vision. It also offers useful features like the G sensor, parking monitor, and loop recording. Both dash cams have received positive reviews and offer great options for enhancing your driving safety.
And that wraps up our comparison between the BOOGIIO dash cam front and the SUVCON dash cam.
Remember, it's important to choose a dash cam that suits your specific needs. Whether you prioritize video quality, night vision, or additional features, both of these dash cams have something to offer. We hope this video helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest product comparisons on Buy Smart. Thanks for watching and drive safe.